Hi, this is Mrs. Earl with a short tutorial on dividing with exponents. We now simplify by looking for the giant 1. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Another 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and another 3 by 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Which leaves us just those two 3's on the top. So simplified, it's 3 to the second power. In a short version, you could say 3 to the 6th divided by 3 to the 4th could be written as 3 to the 6th minus 4 power, which equals 6 minus 4 is 2, 3 to the second power.